Today we are going to recreate the Nasi Dagang that we had during our East Coast road trip, but the version we are going to recreate is the Kelantan version. We are going to use the rice mix and curry powder that we bought from the Siti Hatijah market. And we will share the recipe in the description. Cooking time. Ingredients for the fish curry. Into the blender, shallots. Garlic, ginger, galangal, chili paste. Then blend till fine. Put the fish into a pot. Pour in water to cover the fish. Add in dried garcinia slices and salt. Bring it to boil and cook the fish through. Then put the cooked fish aside. Keep some of the fish broth to be used for the curry. Now let's cook the curry. Add oil into a pot. Mix some water to the curry powder to make paste. Throw in the fenugreek seeds. Add in the blended paste. Then continue to stir. Now add in the curry powder paste. Then keep stirring to avoid burn. Add some dried garcinia slices. Then continue to stir till the curry paste is cooked and fragrant. Add some more oil if it gets too dry. Then resume stirring. Paste is done. Now pour in the fish broth. Add in coconut milk. Stir, stir, stir. Taste test. Need more chili. Stir, stir, stir. Taste test again. Add a bit more salt. Then add half of the palm sugar. Stir, stir, stir. Taste test again. Put in the rest of the palm sugar. Stir, stir, stir. Taste test. Drop the green chilies in, and the fish as well. Stir, stir, stir. Bring to boil. Cover. Turn off gas. The premixed rice is soaked overnight. Put the rice into a steamer tray. Flatten it out. Then steam for 20 minutes. While waiting for the rice to cook, let's prepare some pickled veggie. Season cucumber, carrot, onion, and chili with salt. Then pickle it with vinegar and sugar. As simple as that. Now back to the rice. After steaming for 20 minutes, remove and pour in diluted coconut milk. Mix, mix, mix. Pour in the rest of the diluted coconut milk. Mix, mix, mix again. Steam for another 10 minutes. Then put in some sliced shallots and ginger. Sprinkle some fenugreek seeds as well. Then steam for another 15 minutes.
Tiga! Bosek!
Add some water. Then steam for another 10 minutes. Wow, the fragrant of the rice and coconut milk. Finally, add in the thick coconut milk. Mix, mix, mix. It's done when all the rice grain is shining. All done. Let's taste it. Both rice is different. Kelantan is red coconut milk rice. Terengganu is white coconut milk rice. Curry is different as well. Kelantan style curry is more on the coconut milk side. Terengganu one is red and spicy. Undeniably, both are great. Thank you for watching and remember to try out the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Have a nice day and see you!